In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY clothes conditioner that will not only double your hair growth but also improve the overall health of your hair. Without further ado, let's get into it. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So today's DIY is a very great one that can help you grow your hair really faster and also help prevent hair damages. And I want so many people to watch this video, and the only way you can help me do this is to give this video a thumbs up right now and also leave me a lovely comment in the section below. Guess what? I reply to every comment. And if you are new here, hey, I would love you to join us by subscribing and clicking on the bell, so each time I upload DIYs like this, you will be notified. Let's get into the ingredients. The first ingredient I'm going to use is cloves. If you've been following me on this channel, you will know I love cloves. This is why I love cloves. Cloves can help you grow your hair much faster. It can help prevent dandruff, dry irritated scalp, and also prevent premature growing of hair. In today's recipe, I'm just going to grind my cloves. You can use any means that you have. You can use your blender, but this is how I'm doing it today. And the next ingredient I'm going to add to my recipe is rosemary herbs. Rosemary is really great for our natural hair. It can help also prevent dandruff, dry irritated scalp, and improve the overall health of your hair. Rosemary is known to improve blood circulation. When the circulation in your scalp region increases, it can potentially strengthen the hair follicles and reduce hair loss. Not only does rosemary reduce hair loss, but it can also give way to hair growth due to its ability to keep the nerves healthy. So make sure you are adding rosemary to your hair regimen. So I'm going to crush the two together as so, and I'm going to put it in a mason jar like so. And after that, I'm going to add my coconut oil. Coconut oil is really great for our hair because it can help moisturize our hair to reduce hair breakages. It can also protect the hair from protein loss as well as dandruffs. And also the next ingredient I'm going to add today is olive oil. Olive oil is also very beneficial for natural hair because it has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help prevent dandruff, it can add some shine to your hair, and also prevent hair damages. So I added these two oils plus my two other ingredients. I'm going to give it a stir, and at this point I'm going to put it in the boiling water. And hey guys, if you're still watching this video to this point, you know how we do it here, huh? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, join us by clicking on the subscription button, and do not forget to click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. So I left the jar in the boiling water for about 15 minutes or till it's really hot. Then I set it aside to cool down, and it is time to drain this yummy oil out. And this is what we have, guys. This oil can help you grow your hair faster. It can help prevent damaged hair. It can also prevent dandruff. And I'm a little extra, so I'm going with my peppermint oil. Aside the fragrance of the peppermint oil, I love what it does to my hair. And this time I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner. This is the fun part. You do not have to use the same leave-in conditioner. This is not a sponsored video. This is a leave-in conditioner that I use for my hair, and I love it. So go ahead and use the leave-in conditioner that works for your hair. You are just making it work much more better by adding this clove oil to the leave-in conditioner. So feel free to use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. And at this point, you mix the two together like no one's business. So it's time to apply it. And this is a leave-in conditioner, guys. I know most of you will now watch this video to the end. You'll be skipping around and you'll still ask the same questions that I made mention in this video. So listen attentively. This is a leave-in conditioner. So before you apply this, make sure your hair is washed, you have conditioned your hair, and this is your normal moisturizing routine. So you're going in with your leave-in conditioner, and because it's already mixed in with oil, you do not even have to add any extra oil to it, especially if you are using the LOC method. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking. Look at it, guys. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. My hair is very moisturized and beautiful. And at this time, I'm adding my cloves batter. Guys, this batter is everything. It can help strengthen your hair, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check the recipe for this batter. I hope you've already given this video a thumbs up and you have also subscribed. But before you leave, click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.